morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to another vlog during Vlogmas. And I've totally lost count of what day it is, what day this is, because I split up the videos in a way that there wasn't like a day 1, day 2, day 3. There was at the beginning. Now there's not. And so I think this is like day 7 of an actual vlog, I guess. Going to work again, typical stuff. But if you haven't watched yesterday's video with the rally backer unboxing, go watch that video. I think you guys might like it. I'm pretty excited for it. So yeah, go click back and watch that video. Otherwise, some other cool news today. This is gonna be like a discussion video, pretty short. I'm gonna try to keep it short at least. But first I gotta go to work and stuff like that, and then we'll talk once we get back. And I'll kind of show you what I have in front of me right here. It's just a piece of paper. You guys can hear that, that's just paper. But it's exciting paper. It's money paper. Like, there's numbers on it and stuff. So, I'm gonna go to work, then we'll talk once I get back. So, we're back here. So this is kind of just like an update video, because I know we've talked about this quite a few times in the past. So, I finally got paid by my insurance, which isn't exactly what I was looking for. It's better news than nothing. So, to give you guys an update, for those who don't know, I was in an accident about, actually 2 months ago. So, here's a picture right here. That's my car after the accident. If you haven't watched any of the other videos, kind of going back to look at the damage, feel free to click back. I go a little bit more in depth on what happened. Long story short, someone pulled out too far, hit me as I drove by them. Pretty minor scratching, denting, stuff like that. The issue came when I tried to get in touch with their insurance company. So, it seems like this person wasn't covered the way they needed to be, and the process still isn't over. I'm just kind of abandoning it with them because I've been paid now and I'm not going to worry about it. So basically, this Western General Insurance Company either likes, I think they just like to take their time. They like to look for any way out of getting or paying people who have been involved in an accident with them. There's a lot of stories online of people having the same experience I have, where it just takes months and months to fix. Quite honestly, I'm lucky that the car didn't have anything really wrong with it. I'm lucky I wasn't hurt, because all that stuff would have been out of pocket so far for a rental car. I made a claim with my insurance and they were more than helpful. So if you guys live in Texas and you need an insurance company, definitely look at like Texas Farm Bureau. They have been absolutely phenomenal through this whole thing. So what I did was, I never went through the claim with them, but finally I just couldn't do it anymore. I wanted the process to be over, so I gave them a call, went through the claim on their end, and since it's not at fault, it wasn't my fault, and the other drivers admitted it was their fault, I got some money to fix my car. So here it is. Just a little bit under $300 to fix the denting, I guess. Someone came out and looked at the car. It was kind of surprising. I just got it in the mail. I wasn't quite sure. I do wish they would have told me how they assessed it, but maybe that's just something for the insurance to do. So, you know, $300 isn't too bad. So what that can cover is either going and fixing the dents, or basically it'll cover paint for the over fenders. So I think that's probably the direction I'll go in. So it kind of ends up being free. So I'm not gonna say it's a good thing that someone hit me, but I'm just trying to see the silver lining in it, I guess. I like to look on the bright side of things. But yeah, so if you guys are ever in an accident and it's not your fault, even if it is your fault, well, if it is, it's not up to you to do this, but if you're not at fault and someone does hit you, just make sure you always call the police first. As long as you're okay, call the police, because it makes things a lot easier if you get a police report. I didn't think about it, and I didn't think the damage was that bad, and everyone was being cooperative, and I shared insurance. Everyone shared their insurance. But just call the police and get a police report, because it makes things so much easier. And definitely, if you guys are unsure of how your insurance works, whether you want to know what happens if someone hits you, or if you want to make sure when you hit someone, if you hit someone, that they'll be covered, because at least in Texas it's law to have car insurance. So for one, you shouldn't be driving without it, and two, I mean, it's only fair if you do hit someone that they are able to get their property fixed in a timely manner. I don't know if the other insurance company is ever going to call me again, because I think my insurance company is going to go and try to claim the money that they gave me. So that's fine if they want to do that. As far as I'm concerned, my hands are now clean of this matter, and we can move on. So kind of next. Oh, so my front bumper that's coming in. I got a notification that the front bumper will be coming in early January. So 2019, we'll start thinking about getting the bumper in and stuff like that. So not too worried about it. Just kind of tired of waiting, you know. I don't like that my front bumper still looks kind of like trash, but you know, at least the new one's on the way. So we'll see when it gets here, I guess, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated with that. So thank you for watching this kind of little update video. Insurance gave me money, which is good. Bumper's on the way. All things are pointing up in the right directions now. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the vlog series so far. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a like on this video. Leave your comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you got any good insurance stories, it'd be cool to hear your side of things as well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next vlog. Have a great night.